The Journey to a Healthy Lifestyle, the story of Emma and Tom. In years gone by, in a small town called Greensville, there lived a brother and sister named Emma and Tom. Emma was 12 years old and Tom was 10. They were very close and did everything together. They loved to play, explore, and spend time with their friends. But there was one thing they often ignored: living a healthy lifestyle. Emma and Tom liked to eat junk food. They loved chips, candies, and soda. They would spend hours playing video games or watching TV, rarely going outside to play. Their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Brown, were worried about their habits. One day, their school organized a health week. The teachers wanted to teach the children about the importance of a healthy lifestyle. Emma and Tom's teacher, Miss Lily, was very excited about it. She planned many activities and invited guests to talk to the students. The big announcement. On Monday morning, Miss Lily made an important announcement. "This week is Health Week," she said with a big smile. "We will learn about eating healthy food, exercising, and taking care of our bodies. There will be fun activities and games. I hope you all are excited." The class cheered. Emma and Tom were curious. They wondered what they would learn and if it would be interesting. The visit from Dr. Green. The next day, a special guest visited the school. His name was Dr. Green, a friendly doctor who loved to help children. He talked to the students about the importance of eating healthy food. "Fruits and vegetables are very important," Dr. Green said. "They give us vitamins and minerals that help our bodies grow strong. Junk food, like chips and candies, is not good for us. It can make us sick if we eat too much." Emma and Tom listened carefully. They had never thought much about what they ate. Dr. Green's words made them think. Dr. Green also talked about the importance of drinking water. "Water is essential for our bodies," he explained. "We should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. It keeps us hydrated and helps our body work properly." The Healthy Food Challenge. Miss Lily then announced a fun challenge. "We will have a healthy food challenge," she said. "Each of you will keep a food diary for a week. Write down everything you eat and drink. Try to include more fruits, vegetables, and water in your diet. The student with the healthiest diary will win a prize." Emma and Tom decided to take the challenge seriously. They wanted to win the prize and also see if eating healthy would make them feel better. Changing their habits. That evening, Emma and Tom talked to their parents about the Healthy Food Challenge. Mr. and Mrs. Brown were very supportive. They decided to help their children make better food choices. For breakfast, instead of sugary cereals, Emma and Tom had oatmeal with fresh fruits. They found it delicious and filling. At school, they ate their lunchboxes filled with vegetables, whole grain sandwiches, and fruits. They also drank plenty of water. Emma and Tom wrote everything in their food diaries. They felt proud of their healthy choices and noticed they had more energy during the day. Discovering the joy of exercise. On Thursday, Miss Lily invited another special guest. Coach Sam was a fitness trainer who loved to teach children about the importance of exercise. "Exercise is very important for our health," Coach Sam said. "It keeps our muscles and bones strong, helps us stay fit, and makes us feel happy. It is important to find activities you enjoy, like playing sports, dancing, or even just walking." Coach Sam organized a fun exercise session. The students played games, ran races, and tried different exercises. Emma and Tom had a lot of fun. They realized that exercise didn't have to be boring. It could be a lot of fun. A new routine. Emma and Tom decided to include exercise in their daily routine. In the morning, they went for a walk with their parents. In the afternoon, they played outside with their friends. They tried different activities like soccer, basketball, and even yoga. They felt happier and more energetic. They also slept better at night. Their new routine made them feel good. The importance of rest. Miss Lily also taught the students about the importance of rest. "Our bodies need rest to recover and grow," she explained. "We should get at least 8 hours of sleep every night. It helps us stay healthy and do well in school." Emma and Tom realized they had been staying up late watching TV or playing video games. They decided to change their bedtime routine. They went to bed early and woke up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. The results of the challenge. At the end of the week, Miss Lily asked the students to bring their food diaries. She was very proud of all the students for making healthy choices. She announced the winner of the Healthy Food Challenge. "And the winner is Emma and Tom," Miss Lily said. The class cheered as Emma and Tom went to the front of the class to receive their prize. They were very happy and proud of themselves. A visit to the park. To celebrate the end of Health Week, Miss Lily organized a trip to the park. The students had a picnic with healthy snacks and played games. They ran, jumped, and laughed a lot. Emma and Tom realized how much they loved their new healthy lifestyle. They promised each other to continue eating healthy food, exercising, and getting enough rest. They also decided to help their friends and family make healthy choices. Sharing their knowledge. When Emma and Tom went home, they told their parents everything they had learned during Health Week. Mr. and Mrs. Brown were very proud of their children. They decided to make healthy changes as a family. They started cooking healthy meals together. They went for walks and bike rides. They also made sure to get enough rest. The whole family felt happier and healthier. Helping the community. Emma and Tom wanted to share their knowledge with their friends and neighbors. They organized a health day in their neighborhood. They invited Dr. Green, Coach Sam, and Miss Lily to talk about healthy living. They also set up fun activities like a healthy cooking contest, exercise games, and a fruit and vegetable market. Many people attended and learned about the importance of a healthy lifestyle. Emma and Tom were very happy to see their community making healthy choices. They knew they had made a difference. The long-term benefits. As the months passed, Emma and Tom continued to live a healthy lifestyle. They felt stronger, happier, and more energetic. They did well in school and enjoyed their activities. They also noticed that they rarely got sick. Their healthy habits had made their immune system strong. They were able to do more and enjoy life to the fullest. Inspiring others. Emma and Tom's story inspired many children in their school and neighborhood. They showed that living a healthy lifestyle is not difficult. It just requires small changes and a positive attitude. Miss Lily was very proud of Emma and Tom. She knew they would continue to inspire others with their healthy habits. A bright future. Emma and Tom grew up to be healthy and successful adults. They never forgot the lessons they learned during Health Week. They continued to eat healthy food, exercise regularly, and get enough rest. They also continued to help others make healthy choices. They became role models in their community and inspired many people to live healthier lives. Conclusion. Emma and Tom's story teaches us the importance of a healthy lifestyle. Eating healthy food, exercising regularly, and getting enough rest are essential for our well-being. These habits help us stay strong, energetic, and happy. Living a healthy lifestyle is not difficult. It just requires making small changes and staying committed. Emma and Tom showed us that anyone can make these changes and enjoy the benefits. So, let's follow Emma and Tom's example. Let's make healthy choices and inspire others to do the same. A healthy lifestyle is the key to a happy and fulfilling life.